Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, in an exam, 4 marks are awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks are deducted for each incorrect answer. Now Michael attempts 36 questions and he gets a mark 72. So we have to find the total number of correct answers. So let the total number of correct answers equals x. Therefore, total number of incorrect answers will be equals 36 minus x, because total number of questions attempted by Michael is 36. Now for each correct answers 4 marks is allotted. So 4 multiplied by x for each correct answer, and for each incorrect answers 2 marks are deducted. So it will be 2 multiplied by 36 minus x, that is the total number of incorrect questions, multiplied by the marks which has been deducted. And since here in this case marks has been deducted, so we have to put a negative sign before it, right? So let's put a negative sign before it. And the total marks which he obtained after normalizing the scores will be 72. So this is the marks which he obtained for total marks which he obtained for the correct answers, and this is the total amount of negative marks which he obtained for incorrect answers, right? So let's proceed further. So 4x multiplied by plus minus of 2 multiplied by 36 will be minus of 72, and minus of 2 multiplied by minus of x will be plus 2x, which is equal to 72. So it will become 4x plus 2x is 6x. Shift minus 72 to the right hand side, so it will become plus 72. So 72 plus 72 will become 2 multiplied by 72. Now in order to find the value of x, we have to divide both sides of the equality by 6. So x will be equals 2 multiplied by 72 divided by 6. So 2 will cancel out 6 and will produce 3. Again 3 will cancel out 72 and will produce 24. So total number of correct answers will be equals 24. So this will be our final required answer. That's it. Thank you.